Come on. Yeah.
Something really unexpected and special, and the whole city is feeling it.
If we win with this team,
We change the game for good.
this better work. I'm just kidding.
Your best friend is suing you for $600 million.
As for the charges, I believe I deserve some recognition from this board.
I'm sorry?
Yes.
I don't understand.
Which part?
I'm getting close, huh? You will go to prison.
You're gonna have to catch me.
Lamont, do you know they have conjugal visits there?
I might be showing them my O face.
Oh. They let you have sex with women?
They sure do. Okay, I'll do it.
Office Space.
I know you've been getting pretty depressed about your job and everything, and so I just wanted to tell you, good things can happen in this world. I mean, look at me.